Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and access. Park level, set the parking brake and chalk wheels. Use a 2-ton jack and place jack stands under the recommended lift points. Never rely on the jack alone. Once supported, remove the front wheels so you can reach the sway bar and end links. Inspect the sway bar, bushings, and links for play or cracking. This tells you whether to reuse or replace components. Make sure you have the replacement parts and torque specs before proceeding. You'll now remove the worn components carefully so alignment doesn't shift. First, loosen the nuts on the end links while holding the stud to prevent spinning. Use an Allen key or 6-point socket if required. Once the links are free, support the sway bar with a pry or jack so it doesn't drop. Remove old bushings and brackets, clean mounting surfaces, and fit new polyurethane or rubber bushings. Then position the sway bar and hand thread the new bolts to ensure proper engagement before final tightening. You finish by torquing everything to the manufacturer's specifications. A torque wrench is essential to avoid over or under tightening. Once torqued, reinstall wheels, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts to spec. Then take a short, controlled test drive. Drive over a few bumps and perform low-speed turns to confirm stability and that no clunks are present. If you hear noise or feel looseness, stop and recheck torque, bushing orientation, and link length. Incorrect installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.